Hello, everybody. Welcome to Major Mass Clubhouse. My name is Michael. So, during our previous episode, we started with introduction to sorts. We talked about types of sorts. We talked about rules involved in sorts like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But today, I said let's do simplification of sorts. I think this is actually the basic unit or the basic operation under sort before we head into the main operations that we discussed about. So, but in this simplification, we're going to be using a little bit of um, multiplication rule, which says what root A times root B will give you root AB. Similarly, root AB is equals to root A times root B. All right, so we're going to be dealing with this entire problems. But what we're going to do is that in this section, we're going to be touching the first five so that you can, when we're done with this section, you can go and eat, relax, cook your jollof rice or whatever, enjoy yourself. Then we'll come back for this last five because this last five requires some assembling and yeah, I feel you need to kind of have eaten well before we start dealing with this. All right, so let's start. All right, so the first problem we have is root 50. So the first thing normally when you should do in this situation is get out all the factors of 50. So let's just take this little place as our little workbook from you and I. So the factors of 50: 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, and 50. Yeah. So we'll find the factor that is also the highest perfect square here. 1 is a perfect square, 2 is not a perfect square, 5 is not a perfect square, 10 is not a perfect square, 25 is a perfect square. So we said 25 times 2 will give you 50. So which gives you what? Root 50 is equals to root 2 times root 25. So root 50 is equals to, we still bring down root 2. Then square root of 25 is what? 5. So therefore, root 50 is equals to root 2 times 5 will give you 5 root 2. So we have root 32. And what did we say? We said the first thing is to find the factors of 32. Alright, so the factors we have 1, we have 2, we have 4, we have 8, we have 16, we have 32. So let's confirm. So how we do this is this is called the factor chain. So if we want to confirm that we have all the factors here, we could say we'll start from the extreme ends of the chain to multiply to give us this value. So 32 times 1 is 32. 2 times 16 is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. As simple as that. So we'll find the factor that's also the highest perfect square in this chain. We have 1 perfect square, we have 4 perfect square, we have 16 perfect square. This is a perfect square, so 16 is the highest factor there that is also a perfect square. So I would say 16 times 2 is 32. So our value here will be what? Root 2 times root 16. So which will give you root 32 is equals to root 2 will still be here times root 16 is what? 4. So therefore, root 2 times 4 will give you what? 4 root 2. So number 3, we have root 45 here. Alright, and so what did we say? Our first operation here will be looking for all the factors. So let's get all the factors. We have 1, we have 3, we have 5, we have 9, we have 15, we have 45. And that's that. So let's confirm our factor chain. 1 times 45, 45, 3 times 15, 45, 5 times 9, 45. So let's find the factor that is also the highest perfect square here. So that gives you 9. 9 is the highest perfect square here, this chain. So I will say that 5 times 9 will give you 45. So therefore, root 45 is equals to root 9 times root 5. Root 9 times root 5. The square root of 9 is what? 3. The square root of 5 is to give you root 5. So therefore, root 45 is equals to 3 root 5. We'll give you 3 root 5. So we have number 4, root 72. Alright, so in root 72, let's get out the factors of 72. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, 18, 24, 36, yeah, and 72. Let's pray to God that I got the entire factors properly. Alright, so using our factor chain multiplication, so we say 72 times 1 is 72. 36 times 2 is 72. 24 times 3 is 72. 18 times 4 is 72. 8 times 12 is 72. Yep. So let's find the perfect square. We have 1 here, we have 4 here. 8 is not a perfect square. 12 definitely not. 18, 24, nah, they're not. Oh, we have 36 here. Good. So here we have 36 is the highest perfect square here. And we said that what 36 times what 2 gives us what 72. Alright, cool. So root 72 is equals to root 36 times root 2. So which gives you what? Root 36, square root of 36 will give you what? 6 times root 2. So therefore, root 72 is equals to what? 6 times root 2, which is what? 6 root 2. So we are down to number 5. We are down to number 5. Alright, so number 5 is we're down to number 5, and number 5 is 75, root 75. So let's find the factors of 75. 75. It should be easy. 1. This is not an even number. 3, 5, 15, 15, 25, 75. So let's confirm that we've got the chain properly. So 1 times 75, 75, 3 times 25, 75, 5 times 15, 75. So using this multiplication rule like we've been previously using, we have root 75 equals to, we'll say the perfect square is here, 25. Alright, cool. So 25 times 3 will give us 75. Awesome. So we have root 25 times root 3. So root 75 is equals to, the square root of 25 is 5 times root 3. So therefore, root 75 is equals to 5 root 3. So I think that's that on this episode. So I'll release you guys. You guys go and eat, enjoy yourself, have fun. I'll deal with this next 5 during our next section. You can see that sauce slaps like jollof rice. It slaps really hard. Yeah, very, very spicy. So we've not even gotten to the real spicy juice here right now. But yeah, I think we're getting there. So in our next section, we'll be dealing with this 5 episodes. Sorry, I said 5 episodes. In this next section, we'll be dealing with this 5 problems. Yeah. All right, thank you, everybody. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Have a lovely day. Bye.